Topic E, class inheritance, our final topic for the day. So the idea behind class inheritance is that you have a class that makes objects. The objects have attributes, data, methods, so functions that do stuff, perhaps operate with the data and change it. And these are sometimes very useful. And rather than copying and pasting and remaking new classes with similar methods, you're able to inherit them. So basically, when doing this, you should always think of trying to sort of generalize among similar objects, like what are their attributes. So we talked very generally about a car object or a person object. These had certain attributes: a car, make, model, year, top speed. Now, if you want to go ahead and make a Jeep method, and the Jeep is going to have all the same attributes, the same methods, but perhaps it's also going to have special methods. And so you can inherit from the car, add functionality to that, maybe add an option for four-wheel driving, add an option for height because they're sometimes fairly tall, add an option for wheel size because those matter in Jeeps, and so on. So the advantage of this is twofold. One, it saves you from writing the same attributes and the same methods again and again. So that makes your code more flexible, more usable. Two, it basically makes it really easy to create different varieties of one object. So let's look at a crazy out there example. Big cats. So if I want to organize them in an object-oriented structure, how would I do that? Well, what do they have in common? Well, they're all cats. So that could be class cat. So they could all inherit from class cat. Cats of lifespan, speed, and for now on I'll just generalize and say behavior. So going back, all of these, what is this? Cheetah, leopard, tiger, lion, all of these are cats, their lifespan, speed, and behavior. So these could be children classes inheriting from a cat main class. So here's a rudimentary example that I'm going to explain, and then we're going to get into code and more detail. So the class cat creates a cat object with mass, lifespan, and speed. So here I have class leopard, and there's nothing in class leopard. Pass, nothing. But as a parameter, it has cat here. That means it inherits from cat. So if we create a leopard, the leopard is going to have, well, mass, lifespan, speed. And when we print the leopard dictionary here, bingo. It has all of the following, and the leopard object can be made and use all of the cat attributes in here. So let's get into code, and then we're going to add some methods to class cat, and then we're going to inherit them and experiment with that. So here we are, continuing from the slides and picking up with class cat and leopard, which inherits from cat. Now if I play this, you'll notice that when we create a leopard, we're taking the same mass, lifespan, and speed, and we have them as attributes of this leopard object right here. So leopard is a cat and does all the things that cats do. Now let's add a bit of variation here. Let's create a method for cat to do something, and then leopard can have that same method, but that can be overridden. So we can have a method that says vocalize. We'll go American spelling, and that can print something that cats do. Meow. Now we can have vocalize in the leopard, and this time leopard's got to make a kind of a meaner sounding cat. Surely it'll be like, I don't know. That'll do. That's a leopard sound. So let's have a play with this. So obviously Leo is a leopard, and Leo has that method, so we can say leo.vocalize. Let's run this. So let's say we had a cat, and we can test. So let's say we had Tommy, and Tommy is a cat, not a cow. A cat is like, 5 kilos, 17 years, 15 k's an hour, 16 k's an hour. This is slower, long living. And what would happen if Tommy vocalized? Tommy dot vocalize. Run it. Yeah, and so there you go. You see how in Leo, when we create that same method, it's automatically overridden. So just for the fun of it, you know, if the other cats are going to be similar, we could have gone for ooh, not there, buddy. We could have gone for cheetah. What sound would a cheetah make? I don't know. I really don't know. But I like to think they're going to make fun sounds. So we can try the cheetah, and you're going to see that the cheetah also has its unique vocalization. So if we say Bob, give it an African name, Mutombo is a cheetah, and let's say cheetahs are light, maybe they're like 30 kilos, and they're the fastest. They live not so long, but they're gonna go, I don't know, 60, 70 k's an hour, maybe more, I don't know. Cheetahs could go 100 k's an hour, possibly. They're the fastest animal on land. So let's test this out. Dumbo.vocalize. And that should make a sound. So there you go. Just to show right here, if you have a main class, the child classes of it, any methods that have the same name are automatically overridden. There's nothing special you have to do. You just create a method by the same name, and that's the one that, you know, is implemented for all objects of the child class.